Good evening, ma'am, and my dear friends. Today I present a theorem. Let f be a f contained in X and closure of f equals to f be a closed subset of X. Then f is a locally compact host of space and the bare sets of f are those sets of the form B intersection f where B is bare set in X. Thus, if f is a closed bare set, the bare subset of f are just those bare subsets of X which are contained in f. The Borel sets of f are those Borel sets of X which are contained in f. Then proof. So firstly proof. We have discussed here two terms, Hausdorff space and bare set. So what is Hausdorff space? Hausdorff space is also called T2 space. A topological space Xt is said to be Hausdorff space or T2 space if for each xy belongs to X such that x not equals to y, then there exist two open sets U and V such that x belongs to U and y belongs to V and U intersection V equals to phi. And next is bare set. So bare set is the smallest sigma algebra of subset of a set such that each function with respect to that algebra is measurable is called a bare set. So let R equals to R such that R equals to E such that E equals to B intersection F. B belongs to BA of X where BA of X is class of bare sets. Then R is a sigma algebra which includes all compact G stars contained in F. Thus BA of X contained in R and each bare set F is of the form B intersection F. Let B equals to E contained in X such that E intersection F belongs to BA of F. Then B is a sigma algebra. Let K be a compact G del in X. Then K intersection F is a closed subset of K and hence compact. Since K is a G del in X, K intersection F is a G del in F. Thus K intersection F is a compact G del of F and so is in BA of F. Consequently, BA of X contain in B and so each bare set of X include F in a bare set of F. If F is a closed bare subset of F is of this form, on the other hand, for each bare subset B of X with B contained in F, we have B equals to B intersection F and so B is a bare subset of F. This is the theorem and a definition. Continuous functions with compact support. Let X be a locally compact topological space if phi such that X to R and S equals to X belongs to X such that phi of X not equals to 0. Then the closure K of S is called the support of phi. Suppose that phi has a support K where K is a compact subset of X. Then phi vanishes outside S. Conversely, if phi vanishes outside some compact set C and S contain in C, so C is closed. The closure K of phi is contained in C. Nu K is a closed subset of the compact set C and H such K is compact. Then phi has compact support. Thank you.